expectation of another sharp cut in interest rates tomorrow. The Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee began its monthly meeting today and considered the latest economic signals. Our economics editor Hugh Pym looks at the possibility that rates might eventually fall to zero.
For years we got used to the Bank of England cutting thin slices off interest rates, but then last month something a lot more dramatic. 1.5 percentage points was hacked off rates, the biggest reduction since 1981. It was a shock move in the face of a rapid downturn in the economy. So why are more cuts almost certainly on the way tomorrow? This family-run butcher's shop is doing okay. That's because customers are opting to buy food to eat at home and cancelling meals out. But the owners know what a recession looks like and believe bold action is needed to help the economy.
The pattern is always the same, and it's being replicated now. When people have the confidence well spent, they're looking to reduce their budget.
After last month's drama, how big a cut in interest rates might there be this time round?
You've only got to look out on some of our high streets to see how badly retailers want to see another really significant cut in interest rates to revive consumer confidence and get people spending again. Empty shops like this one tell their own story.
On this street in a prosperous part of London, we found 4 restaurants had closed. Nobody locally was denying the consumer downturn was a factor. If rates are cut from 3 to 2%, they'd be the lowest since 1951, when there was rationing and butchers didn't have much to play with. Any lower would be a record. So could modern shoppers eventually experience rates of 0%? One former member of the Bank of England's rate-setting committee believes it's possible.
We've got a very sharp recession coming along. In fact, we're in the middle of it. And they will cut rates, I think, as far and as fast as is necessary, and they can get right down to zero.
In other words, tomorrow's move, assuming it happens, will almost certainly not be the final cut for borrowers and savers. Hugh Pym, BBC News.
A senior Conservative councillor responsible for education services in Croydon